Affiliate marketing is a form of internet marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It has been around for many years and has proven to be very successful and profitable. Starting an affiliate website can be a very cost-effective way to make money online. There are many free resources available that provide detailed instructions on how to get started with your own affiliate website, including step-by-step tutorials, guides, and training programs. This section will discuss why you should start an affiliate website for free and what it takes to succeed with this type of business model. This video will cover the basics of how to set up your own free affiliate marketing website. It will cover some of the basic steps and considerations when setting up your site. But before we get into how to set up a free affiliate marketing website, make sure to like this video, subscribe and comment what you want to see next down below. So since you clicked this video, I will assume you already have some affiliate products to sell. If not, let me know in the comments below if I should make a video on that. Before we can make the actual website, we need to make a Google Sheets document with all the affiliate offers you want on the website. So if we go on to Google Sheets, create new document. As you guys can see, I have opened a brand new spreadsheet. In here we will need 4 columns. Product as the first one, and then starting price, then product description, and then as the last one we will have the affiliate URL. Now I will quickly fill this out to give you guys an example of what it should look like with multiple products or services. It should look something like this. So you have your products in the sheet and now you are ready to create your website. When you enter this website, you will see this page. From here, you will have to create an account. When your account has been created, you should see a page like this. From here, press on the plus icon. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to paste that Google spreadsheet URL. This site is now going to start to manufacture this website for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to put all this together. Okay. As you can see, here guys, these are the 2 different products that we're going to be promoting over here. Now let's try to play around with these settings. Let's say we want the starting price as our subtitle, and let's just keep the description as the text. Obviously, you would have longer and more well-written descriptions and titles, but this is just an example of how to make the website. If we scroll down a little more, we can add product specifications. I would suggest adding new information to add to these pages, but for now, I will show you guys how it looks. So the specifications are going to give this site a little bit more information. Okay. So let's say you came over here and you click onto a monthly starting price. As you can see here, it's going to show the starting price as opposed to just that $20. So it's up to you how you want it to look. So you can play around with this and see exactly what you want that to look like. The next thing that you want to is you want to come down here and you've got this, a buy button over here. This is where you're going to put your affiliate links in. So when somebody comes over here sees this button, they can press it and get redirected to the affiliate product you have linked. So what you are going to do is press on this button and then type in what text you want to appear on the button, something like buy now. Here you can choose different styles for the button as you can see here, just pick what you like the most. Now if you go down here, you can actually connect the link from the spreadsheet to the button. So press here and then on affiliate URL. Something I forgot to mention was that you can change the colors of the button. You can just choose the color that fits your website or product the best. So now that I have shown how to make product pages, we are now going to make the home page look good. We are going to on to design on the left-hand side. The first setting we see over here is if we want our website to be light themed or dark themed. I prefer dark, so I'm going to select this. You can choose whatever you feel fits your products. You can also choose your own background color right here. The next setting we can see is here, where we can enable and edit a header for our website. For this particular website, I'm not going to need it, but it's a great feature. The same goes for the footer. We don't really need it, but if we had social media or something, it would be a perfect place to link them. Now we come down to the home page intro, which is the most important one. Here we can change the page title and the image. I'm just going to write Best Products 2022 as an example. You should change the image to something that fits your products, and the same as the text. I will add this picture as an example. And remember, the pictures need to be non-copyright. Now we have created our website. Now we can go promote it. But first, go up to change domain. From here you can call your website whatever you want. For this website, I'm going to call it Best Products. So now when we have changed our name, it will say open. Now it will open up our live website. So now you can promote this link to all your customers for you to earn money. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on how to promote this link, let me know in the comments below. This was it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.